Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we have a new friend, and the new friend is OU says ow, like ow, it's hurting me. Okay, OU says ow. Hello, ow. OU says ow. Out, 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 out. In and out the dusty bluebells, in and out the dusty bluebells, in and out the dusty bluebells. Who shall be my master? Loud, 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 loud. Oh my goodness, the music is so loud. I can't hear myself talk. Proud, proud. Never ever be proud unless it is something that is really worth being proud of, like you helped somebody or you studied hard and then you did well. But just being proud is not good. Found, found, found. I lost my puppy and then I found my puppy. I'm so happy. SH says out, shout. You know you want to, okay, shout. He's shouting so loudly in the library. So we're going to tell him, hey, mister, please don't shout. Talk quietly in the library. Shout, shout, out, mouth. And we use our mouth for a lot of things. What can we do with a mouth? We can eat. We can chew, we can bite, we can talk, we can whisper, we can speak. So mouth, mouth, two little eyes that open and shut, two little ears and one little nose, two little cheeks and one little chin, two little lips with the teeth tucked in. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Round, 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 round. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there. Pound, 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 pound. I have a pound of butter. That's quite a big, quite heavy butter. Ow, a flower. Ow, a flower. She went to the mill to fetch some flour. She got it back in half an hour. Sound, sound. I hear some sounds. I hear bang, crash, bing, ding, dong, sizzle, tweet, tweet, woof, woof. So many sounds. If you just listen, we hear a lot of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia means sounds like crash, bing, ding, shush, shush, shush. Okay, all sorts of sounds are onomatopoeia. Color out, cloud, color out, cloud. Oh, we are flying in an aeroplane, looking through the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an aeroplane, looking through the window, up so very high. Count, count, count. We're going to count. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers. And I like counting. Do you like counting? Supper out, spout. Supper out, spout. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Tip me over and pull me out. Out the south, out the south, north, south, west or east. You know where? Home is the best. You can go north, south, west or east, but home is the best. Sutter out, stout. He's quite stout. He's quite fat. Circle out, scout. A scout goes to Cub Scouts, right? He attends Cub Scouts. It's a type of place where you go to camping. You learn all how to live in the wild. Crouch, crouch. Crouch, crouch. The lion crouches and then he goes slowly and then he pounces on his prey. It could be a deer, it could be a buffalo, it could be a bison, anything. He likes to eat all these animals. Ow, 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 ow. This is our school. This is our home. So, ow, sour. Oh my goodness, this lemon is so sour. You do that when it's sour because it's like really hits all those taste buds in your mouth. Hound, hound. That's a hound dog. A hound dog has a very good smell. He can smell the fox, he can smell the deer, and that's why when hunters go hunting, they take a hound dog with them. Pouch, 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 pouch. This is a kangaroo, and the kangaroo has a little pouch in the front where the little baby Joey, the little baby kangaroo is called a Joey, and the little baby kangaroo lives in his mother's pouch till he is almost 2 years old. Turn out, trout. Turn out, trout. The trout is a type of fish and he's in the sea. Trouts are swimming in the sea, in the sea. The trouts are swimming in the sea, in the sea. Or maybe the lakes, I'm not sure, but you do have, the trout is a very tasty fish. Go out the ground. Go out the ground. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your feet. Teddy bear, go and sleep in the street. Supper out, sprout. Supper out, sprout. Now that's a little seed. I put the seed in the ground and then I water it and then it has plenty of sunlight and then the seed sprouts out. Out comes the plant. Her house, house. Her house, house. I am in my house. Would you like to come and meet me in my house? Mouse, mouse. Mouse, mouse. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilt the ink and got wet. And the mouse, I'm going to catch that mouse actually because I don't want to have him anymore in my house. Blouse, blouse. I'm wearing a blouse. About. What is it about? What are you talking about? We're talking about the weather. We're talking about something that happened in school. Amount. I have a big amount of something. Maybe it is rice or sugar or anything. Couch, couch. This is a couch. A big sofa is a couch. Now let's read from the beginning to the end. Are you ready? Out, out. Loud, loud. Proud, proud. Found, found. Shout, shout. Mouth, mouth. Round, round. Pound, pound. Flower, flower. Sound, sound. Cloud, cloud. Count, count. Spout, spout. South, south. Stout, stout. Scout, scout. Crouch, crouch. Hour, hour. Sour, sour. Hound, hound. Pouch, pouch. Trout, trout. ground, ground, sprout, sprout, house, house, mouse, mouse, blouse, blouse, about, about, amount, amount, couch, couch. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.